Bro, how to sing a Fine song in the correct 90 degrees? This is very easy. Yo guys, today I am going to teach you how to sing one song called Fine, which is made by one American rapper and singer called Travis Scott. You know Travis Scott, very famous and all. He made this one song called Fine, and I will teach you how to sing this song in the correct 90 degrees. Okay? So guys, right now I am going to sing the Fine song in the correct 90 degrees. Okay? Na 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 na. Just come outside for the night. Take your time, get your light, joining dang. Yeah. I've been gigging out. Fine.